Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Forms for affiliate lead magnets, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Forms for affiliate lead magnets, start by signing into your Google account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Google homepage. Once logged in, navigate to Google Forms. You can do this by typing Google Forms into the search bar or going directly to forms.google.com. Click on the blank template to create a new form. Give your form a title that reflects its purpose. Add a brief description to inform users about the lead magnet. Next, create the necessary fields for gathering information. Begin with the email address field, as this is crucial for follow-up. To add a field, click on the plus icon on the right side of the form editor. Select the type of field you need, such as a short answer for email addresses. Make sure to mark this field as required. Add additional fields based on what information you want to collect. This could include names, interests, or anything relevant to your offer. Once your fields are set up, personalize the form's appearance. Use the palette icon to change colors or choose a theme. After customizing, it's time to set up response settings. Click on the gear icon to access settings. Here, you can decide whether to collect email addresses automatically. You can also limit respondents to one entry if preferred. Next, navigate to the Responses tab. In this section, you'll find options to create a new spreadsheet for your leads. This spreadsheet will help you manage your affiliate leads effectively. Once the form is ready, click on the Send button. You can share via email, link, or embed the form on your website. If using a link, consider shortening it for easier sharing. Copy the link to your clipboard for future reference. Now, integrate your Google form with your email marketing tool. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.